Old man here, and we're back at my uncle's place taking down 3 more dead trees. That story is coming right up. We've got 3 more dead trees to take down. My uncle's over there on the tractor cleaning out a section of his property. He's gonna eventually put another driveway in so he can dump dirt and everything over there. But here are the dead trees close to the road. Check it out. We got this one that's probably 30 feet high. It's kind of leaning towards the road, so I got to be careful of this where I'm gonna drop it. Probably gonna put a rope on this one because it's leaning, or just tie it off, and I'll just try to get it to drop over here somewhere. And then got this tall one, it's straight, so I'm not worried about dropping this one down. We're gonna try to go straight back towards where that tree is, or over here. Actually over there, because it'll get caught up in the branches up there if I try to go that way. Anywho, and then that small dead tree right there. We'll take that one down. And then he's got some stumps over here that we are going to cut down closer to the ground. That one straight over here, I took that tree down last year, but the stump's still a little bit high. And then that one right there, that's the second one. I think I took that one down last year also, so we're just gonna get those closer to the ground. We'll be good to go. Woo, it's been a while. Let's do it. We're all right. Woo! Very nice. This one I'm going to put a rope up to because it's just leaning that way. We'll tie it off over there. I think it's going to go well. I think I'll try to drop it over here, try the rope off over there so it doesn't go into the road. All right, we're gonna get the knot out of this and then see if we can hook the bag up, get it over the limb up there, tie it off, and go from there. All right, here we go. Just want to get it up over that long one there. See if we can do that. Nope. It was there, just the wrong side. There we go. That should work. Got the rope up there. It's over the branch I want it on, but it's still a little off, but that's all right. Oh, there we go. Look at that. All right. This thing's deader than dead. Oh yeah. I'm gonna try to drop it over here somewhere. Yeah, like right here is gonna be really good. I'll have my uncle just pull on it. I don't think we're gonna need the winch. Yeah. I don't need to put a winch on here. All I need you to do is just kind of pull it this way.
Yep.
And because I don't want it to go in the road. And I'm gonna drop it somewhere in here.
Okay.
If it hits that tree, it doesn't matter. You should be, you could probably actually stand back here and it won't even hit you.
Yep.
Just pull on it so it doesn't go towards the road. That's it. Whew. All right, we finally got this one off and worked out pretty well. So I'm pretty much done here. Everything is cut up, the trees are down. Now I just gotta wait and ask him what he wants to do. Does he want help stacking these up? But yeah, so I'm gonna put all my gear back and we'll see what's next. So he doesn't need any more help or anything. I don't need to stack these up. So he's gonna take that load back. Like I said, it was a good morning. And I love it, being outside. Anywho, those trees came down really nice, got them chopped up. They were dead, and it went very quick. So, like I said, we're gonna wrap it up, call it a day, and we will see you at the next tree job. Until next time, ladies and gentlemen, peace out.